What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Aviation 400 Korean Air A380 in the 50 years livery. Super excited, this is my first Korean Air A380 model, and my third Aviation 400 A380 out of the three that I got. The two Lufthansas in this one. So I'm very excited to have another Aviation 400 model. As you'll have seen from the Lufthansa's video, excellent mold, very unique aircraft in terms of, or model in terms of the detachable gear and whatnot. So yeah, super excited to have this Korean Air one. Maybe they'll do one in the regular livery. I'm not sure if they do. Maybe I'll pick that one up, but you know, this will do. Honestly, having this one, just this one with the special, it's totally fine. So yeah, here we go. Here's the box. This is it. You know, it's got the specs like the Lufthansa's one did and whatnot. The registration HL Hotel Lima 7612. And yeah, let's get right on into it. Alrighty, here we go. So we got the little. Here's the gear and the stand and whatnot. We just need the gear. Not concerned about the stand. Looks like it is. So there's a stand. Here's the gear. It looks like the other gear, the little pieces. Okay, so there we go. So that's like the, if you want to gear up, like the covers, the gear doors. That's the pieces there for it, and the little tools to get those on and off. Put the stand aside, and we just need the actual gear here. Fix the box up. There we go. Alright, we'll put the gear aside. Here's the model. Wow. Very nice. Very heavy, just like the Lufthansa's in the last video or the previous video with the Aviation 400 mold. Very heavy. Very nice. Peel that right on off there. And, oh wow. Here we go. Stunning. Stunning mold. Stunning aircraft. Wow. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and put this aside. And now, here's the gear. Get these little guys out here. We'll get to the assembly part. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put the nose gear door first. Get the main gear in there. Come on. There we go. There we go. They do tilt and everything and roll. There's great detail. Very happy. They stick in really nice, like with the magnets. And I think they look great. So yeah, there we go. Very nice. There we have it, guys. Gears assembled. I'll stick it here in the box. Alrighty. So let's take a look at the model. Very nice. Beautiful blue, silver, and that sort of off-white, the gray. Very nice looking. Go ahead, take a look at the mold and the model itself, the details. Very nice. There's a SkyTeam logo next to the cockpit windows. All looks well there. From what I can tell, there's good details. In terms of the static ports, pitot-static tubes, and the attitude indicators, etc. Gear door, it's got 612 on it, and some good detail there with the gear, looking really nice. Main door there, second door, looking really nice. The Korean Air titles, very nice. Got the aerials, the antenna on the top and the bottom, and the little beacons, very nice. Got a little box up there, and another antenna. Beyond 50 years of excellence, and the little 50 years logo or special sticker there. The engine's looking very nice with the Korean Air logo, little sort of Pepsi logo on it. If we can get it there to focus. There we go. Looking very nice. You got the wingtip with it as well. If it'll focus here. There we go. Looking really nice there. Alright. Going back to the main aircraft, the body of the aircraft, here we go. We got the overwing door there, and the other two upper deck doors. aft 2 doors there. You got an A380, and the registration on this aircraft is here in the tail fin, HL7612. This sort of Pepsi logo there for the Korean Air logo, and then you got the little South Korean flag up the top there. Very nice tail fin and tail cone and like tail area. The horizontal stabilizers look very nice. Kind of bent there, but that's how they are in the real aircraft, as far as I'm aware. And then you have the cargo doors on this side, the aft bulk bin door, and the main aft cargo door, and then the forward cargo door. Got the engines and the wings, fantastic. Look at that. Look at that sort of droop. Very, very nice, very accurate. Well done by Aviation400 on this mold. Excellent model. That head-on view looks fantastic. Such a beast of an aircraft. Huge brand presence, that's for sure. Very, very nice. Sad that these are kind of being tossed over. You know, we're not going to see these too far into the future. I don't know how long Korean Air is going to keep theirs. I know a lot of airlines are slowly just trying to get rid of them, because 2-engine, you know, sort of wide body aircraft are the way to go nowadays, instead of this big double-decker 4-hole. But they've sure served their purpose over the years, and they've it's been incredible to see them around personally. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. This beautiful Korean Air A380 by Aviation400. Highly recommend this guy. I'd say maybe they'll make just a standard regular livery one without the special. Maybe I'll get that. I don't know. I honestly don't think I need another one. Just because this has a special little sticker on it, decal if you want to call it, on it. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. So if you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. Let's just fix that gear door there. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Take care.